To take advantage of the Boost feature on Cash App, you must first have a Cash Card. If you don't already have one, you can request it through your Cash App account, and upon approval, you will receive it within 10 business days. Once you have your Cash Card, you can start using Boost by logging into your Cash App account and tapping Save with Boost to view a list of available offers. These offers allow you to shop at your favorite stores and receive a percentage off or earn cash back. You can browse through the available offers and choose the ones you like, but you must agree to the store's terms and conditions to experience the offer. Keep in mind that these offers are usually time-limited, and you can only have one active offer at a time, although you can switch between offers as per your preferences. To earn the rewards, simply use your Cash Card to pay when you visit the chosen store. And always check your transaction history to confirm that the offers were applied correctly. By following these steps, you can enjoy the benefits of using Boost on Cash App.